All right, today on the channel, we're gonna be installing some lithium batteries, and that is from my favorite company. They partnered with me on my golf cart, and they reached out and they want to get in on the boat project. And this is the DC House 12 volt 100 watt batteries. We have two of them. We're gonna run them in the series for our 24 volt trolling motor, and I have the other one already in there. I had to put my other battery tray in first for these, but we'll get it hooked. All right, we got our no-fill mounted up, and all the cables reach. And this one is actually way too long, so this one goes to my lead acid battery, and then we have our cable strand around, which I'm gonna tie all these up here underneath, and it'll reach our lead acid batteries. I mean our lithium batteries, sorry. That I'll have another one right here beside it. So that's great. We got that all mounted up today.